Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language in TokenPocket application. To change your language setting in TokenPocket, first of all, launch open the TokenPocket app on your device. And once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, click Settings. Under Settings, tap on Language. Select a different language from the list, choose your preferred language and click on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your display language settings in the TokenPocket application using your smartphone. So that's how it's super easily done. If you ever want to change the language back to English again, you can repeat the same process and click on English and click Save. So there you have it. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.